On the spot decoration, guys. Choreographed and planned. With our master teacher, 4. Beshi, assisted by the
Doctor.
doctor. Just Jane. Actually, she's believing. She's living in a jet plane, going to United States of Pilot. This week only. I'll ask you, ma'am. Can I ask you? What is the really main reason why you're living here in this prestigious school for 5 years? 5 years. For many years. We've been so long. How come? Answer me.
I know. Tama nga ni Kadi.
Can you remember birthday, ma'am? Lagi. Lagi na ulay, magkumapak na ako. Still. Okay guys, amin yan mga visitors. Mga visitors, kung na event is a joint celebration, double event, birthday. Padili pa ini kon despedida. Sorry ma'am. Yeah, maguyat ka mo istorya kung magkaas na ako. Okay guys, balik kita guys ako mini vlog. So ini ko man guys, kasama nila guys. Amo yan mo acting na multi-talented, versatile. Si Sir. Impromptu. Sir, okay na sir, nag-decorate ko kayo. May problema. Okay. So, dito yung mga audience ito. Jari, diri guwapa ka dyan si Jana, teacher from... May kalaong kuman sa event, kuman adlaw. May mo sa birthday mo na message. May kalaong sa living on a jet plane ni Madam Jessa Jane. Mamidya na si Jam.
Change so much happened na magpa-promo. Ano ang principal?
Ayun, si Sir. Si Sir Robert.
Iwas ka mo sa birthday ni nanay.
Sa next event, yan ang kapatid sa mga salo-salo. I hope you will still remember us. Remember us this week. Yeah.
You will treat us.
Yes. Magsugat sa dayan, dapat di ka dyan yung mga pahudyong.
And most important,
O, sige. Oh, 50. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.